Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm talking all about shoes and I am trying out a new brand called COSY Island. Like many of you, I love shoes and it is really hard to find pretty shoes that are also comfortable and wearable for not only a variety of occasions, but for longer term wear. A lot of the cute shoes out there are very uncomfortable and you can only wear them for a short amount of time, or at least that's been my experience. So it's really nice to find a brand that blends both of these. I'm also really short, I'm 4'11", and I prefer to wear heels. So on my blog, on my Instagram, on my YouTube, across all of my channels, I am wearing heels 99% of the time just so I can look taller and they make me feel more feminine. And of course I wear heels a lot off of my platforms as well, whether it's going to a special event, a wedding, work, church, date nights. I love to have a heel that complements my outfit, looks beautiful on its own, and is incredibly comfortable. COSY Island blends all of that and more, and today I'm sharing my first impressions and an honest review about the brand. I have 4 pairs of shoes to share and I am so excited because they are beautiful and I know all of my girly girls out there are going to love them, and they are perfect for the springtime and transitioning from winter to spring as well. So a little bit about COSY Island. I actually discovered them quite a while ago when I was seeing their shoes pop up all over Instagram and I was like, oh my gosh, where are these shoes from? Because they're so cute. I love the colors, I love all of the details, I love the designs and all of the sparkle. They're very unique, and to find out that they were also comfortable was really exciting. COSY Island promises comfort without compromise, and the name alone is really fun. They came up with it because the shoes are like cozy little islands for your feet. The insoles of them, which I thought was really cute. The brand has a wide variety of different shoe styles, including boots, sandals, heels, flats, and more. They also have different shoes for different occasions, so you can shop by shoe type, occasions, and they also have a lot of different designs. So even if you don't share the same feminine girly style that I do, you are still bound to find something that you like on the COSY Island website. They are also an eco-conscious and sustainable brand that creates the shoes from recycled plastic bags, which is incredible. The shoes are also breathable, stylish, and come in a lot of different timeless designs. And they also offer sustainable accessories and handbags to go with your beautiful footwear. As always, everything will be linked down in the description box below, and I do have a discount code for you as well. Now that you're acquainted with COSY Island, let's go ahead and get into the haul and see what these shoes are all about. Here is a quick look at the packaging. It's very simple, very streamlined, in a light yellow box. Super cute, and it also has the tagline, "Comfort without compromise." And when you open it up, you have your beautiful shoes. I love these. They're the most beautiful shade of pink. They're so cute. So their box says, at COSY Island, we believe that you shouldn't have compromise between looking good and feeling great. Totally agree with that. And by transforming waste into fashion, we're making a positive impact on the world around us. And I definitely agree with that too. I love that this is a sustainable footwear brand, that they are creating beautiful shoes that women want to wear. So they are made with plastic bags, of course, like I said, have pillow-like arch support and mousse-like knitted fabric. So let's take a look at these. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love them. I don't typically go for Mules, but they've been trending for a couple years now, and I really like these. I think the color is absolutely gorgeous, and I love the design overall. This is called the Gracelithe Pointed Toe Low-Heeled Mules, and they come in a variety of options. There's actually a higher heeled one as well, and there are different widths. So I just got the standard width, but they do have wide, which is great. This shoe features stiletto heels, a pointed toe, and a slip-on style. The heel height is 5.5 centimeters or just over 2 inches, which is very comfortable and walkable. The metallic heel also makes it super stylish and modern. The upper features a soft and stretchy premium woven knit. The insole is extremely cushioned and provides arch support, and it features a textured rubber sole for slip resistance. The overall look of these shoes is very feminine, romantic, elegant, and sophisticated. I just love the strap with the buckle detail. I think it's so beautiful, and the shoe as a whole has an old money aesthetic, and I really love the color, and I love all of the colors that they come in as well. There's a lot of neutrals, but the pink is really pretty and definitely very me. I feel like there are so many ways to style this, and I really love the color for springtime. You could wear it with a really beautiful dress, a flowy skirt, or you could even go more structured with a pantsuit or a blazer and skirt suit. There really is endless ways to style, and you can wear them for so many different occasions as well. In my opinion, this is a great daytime shoe, but you could also wear it for nighttime or special events, just depending on your style and where you're going. The style is so comfortable and so beautiful. I really love the pointed toe, and I don't find any issues with my toes. With the pointed toe, they don't feel crammed or anything like that. And I really love the sole. I think it's so comfortable, and even though they are mules, they're really easy to walk in, and I don't find that they slip off of my feet, and I just really love all of the details as well. The pink with the silver metallic is such a gorgeous combination. I got my normal size in these, and they fit perfect. Although I do want to tighten this up just a little bit, but there are some little holes there, so I can do that. But other than that, they are a great fit. Next up, we have this pretty pink beauty. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So when I saw them on the website, I was like, these are Barbie shoes. I must have them in my life. It's like Barbie / Legally Blonde, which I just watched, by the way. So I'm kind of in my Legally Blonde era, I guess. But these are so cute, and the little bows. I am obsessed. I love them so much. This is called the Bowtention Pointed Toe Heeled Mules. It features a pointed toe, stiletto heels, and bow knot details. The heel height is 6 centimeters, so it's about 2.5 inches, just a little bit under, which is a very walkable and wearable height. It also features a soft and stretchy premium woven knit upper, cushioning and arch support for the soles, and a slip-resistant rubber sole. This style comes in a variety of colors, from neutrals to brights to prints and patterns. I love the woven pattern on this one and the dainty bow details, as well as the modern sculptural heel. I also love the trendy and unique square back. I think it makes the shoe look very elegant and timeless with a modern twist. The shoe can be styled for a variety of occasions, but in my opinion, this is more of a daytime shoe, although you could wear it at night as well. But the bright color just definitely gives me spring and summer vibes, so I think it would be really great with a beautiful sundress, flowy fabrics, even vacation wear. But you could easily style it with more structured items like a pantsuit or a skirt suit, or even jeans and a cute top. This is definitely a statement pair of shoes, so if you want lots of compliments, this is the one to get. Honestly, I am obsessed with the design of this. The little bows, oh my gosh, I love them so much. I love bow anything. I would love to get this one in more colors. There's also a white color that I really want to add to my shoe collection, just because white goes with everything, but the pink is so much fun. It's really beautiful. I love the design as a whole, and just like the other pair, these are really easy to walk in, especially as a mule, because I do find with some mules your foot comes out, but these are really secure. They're very padded, and the heel height is really nice, so you can walk around and go about your day without any problems. I got my normal size in these, and they fit perfectly. Moving on to the next one. These are for all of my glamour girls out there that love sparkle. I love anything sparkly, shiny, pink. So yeah, these are definitely up my alley, and they do come in pink as well. I decided to get the silver because I feel like this would go with pretty much any color in my wardrobe, and I have a lot of different colors, but there is a hot pink pair of this version that is on my wish list. This is the Diamond Pointed Toe Heeled Pumps. It features a pointed toe, stiletto heels, and a slip-on style. The heel height is 7.5 centimeters, which is just under 3 inches. which is a very comfortable and wearable height in my opinion. It also has a soft and stretchy premium knit upper with rhinestones, an ultra cushioned insole with arch support, and a rubber anti-slip sole. This style also comes in a variety of different colors, from neutrals to brights and primary colors. In my opinion, this design is a modern twist on a classic and timeless style. This is definitely more of a nighttime shoe, but you can easily style it for day if your personal style is more whimsical and fun and glamorous. But personally, I would wear these for date night, a special occasion, a wedding, some type of really amazing event, or even just a glamorous night on the town. This shoe is so pretty. I absolutely love all of the sparkle, and what is really unique about this one is that it actually has rhinestones on it. That's right, it's not like glitter or some kind of weird thing that I've seen other shoes have, but it's actual rhinestones on a knit fabric, which means that it's comfortable, it's beautiful, it is super stylish and super sparkly. Out of all three heels so far, this one is definitely more of a traditional heel, and it is very comfortable to walk in my opinion. The highest heel height that I will go these days is like 3 inches, so this is just on the cusp, and I find that it is very, very comfortable, and you can walk around for a really long time without any foot discomfort at all. I would style these with an equally glamorous dress, but the shoes on their own make a statement. So you can go either way. You can have the shoes complement another really beautiful over-the-top dress, or you can go more simple with the dress and have the shoes be the star of the show. And I think any type of dress would do. You can go short, you can go midi length, you can go maxi length, or even a gown. Size-wise, I got my normal size in these, and I find that they fit perfectly. And my last pair is not a heel, but it is a boot. And they do have heels, so I guess technically it is a heel. But I fell in love with these when I saw someone else wearing them on Instagram. I am just obsessed. They are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love the chocolate brown color, and they really just have that old money aesthetic vibe to it. This is the Enchanted Buckle Pointed Toe Sock High Boots. It features a pointed toe, stiletto heels, and an easy pull-on style. The heel height is 7.5 centimeters, which is just under 3 inches. A great heel height for everyday wear. It has a soft and stretchy premium knit upper, a cushioned sole with arch support, and a rubber anti-slip sole. The design is unlike any other tall boot that I've seen. They are so stylish, and I am obsessed with the buckle detail and the Mary Jane look of it. The material is soft, thick, and stretchy, accommodating many calf widths. This is a great boot for transitioning from winter to spring, and you can style it so many different ways. I love wearing my tall boots with really long flowy maxi dresses or shorter mini skirts, with or without tights. I feel like the style of this boot definitely has more of an academia look because of the Mary Jane inspired style. So I would wear it with more academia or old money aesthetic inspired looks. Not to mention, this boot is so comfortable. It's so easy to walk around in, and I really love that the fabric is so stretchy because I do have wider calves, and it makes tall boots really hard to find. So I tend to go for the knit boots just because any other material like leather or something like that, they usually don't fit my calf, and otherwise I would have to get them specially made. So it's a lot easier and a lot cheaper to get a knit boot, and these are very cozy as well. And I really, really love the color. It's the color coffee, but it's more of a chocolate brown, and they do have them in black and a light beige color as well. I think it's definitely more of a daytime boot, but you can wear them for nighttime as well, and I think that they would work best for work or more casual everyday looks. I got my normal size in these, and they fit great. I also really love the height of the boot as a whole, because since I am petite, sometimes they're too long, but these go just under my knee, and I find that they're really comfortable and really flattering. I wish this one came in more colors because I would love to get a light pink or even a cream color, because I think they would go with so many different things in my wardrobe. So the big question is Cozy Island worth it? And I would say Yes, the prices are very good for what you're getting. The quality is really nice. These shoes are made with really beautiful, high quality materials. The fit is great. I just got my normal size, so there weren't any issues there. So I would say definitely double check the size chart just because you never know. But if in doubt, I would just go for your normal size. I also really love the variety of widths with some of the shoes. I think that's really nice, and I hope that they do that with more of the styles in the future. I also really love the variety of shoe styles, types, and colors. There is a lot of variety to choose from, so if you are looking for something specific, more than likely you'll be able to find it. I also love that the shoes are really beautiful, well designed, stylish, timeless, and comfortable. That is such a big selling point, and that the materials are sustainable and eco-friendly. I love that they care about the environment and that they are using that to create gorgeous footwear that women would be proud to wear in their everyday life. If you want to shop any of the styles that I showed here today, or if you just want to check out the Cozy Island website and see what they have to offer, make sure you check out my links down below and my discount code so that you can save 10% on your purchase. I would love to know which of these shoes is your favorite. I don't know if I have a favorite. I really love the pink ones with the bows just because I really love the bows, but I love the color of the first pink ones. And of course, I love the rhinestones and sparkle of the silver pair. And then the boots, they are so beautiful, and I love the fit and color of them. So honestly, I really love all of them for different reasons, and I'll be wearing them for different occasions in my life. But I would love to know which one do you like? Have you tried this brand before? Feel free to leave a comment below and share your thoughts with me. For even more feminine fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, make sure you check out my blog, lizzieinlace.com, and don't forget to follow along on my pretty pink Instagram at lizzieinlace. I will see you next time. Bye!